Klubnika bomboş çeşine uğraş.
Hi, my name is Eminem. It's reflection of self. Respect you got to give me. I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. He wrote down, the whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over. Let's go get on from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this group like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single alone. I found my niche. You gon' hear my voice till you're sick of it. You ain't gonna have a choice. If I gotta scream till I have half a lung, if I have half a chance, I'll grab them, killing them. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, problem with no survivor. Killing them. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, you hate it, but you no respect, you got to give it. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, problem with no survivor. Killing them. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, you hate it, but you no respect, you got to give it.
This is supposed to be hip-hop. I'd rather be fishing than flip-flop. Across over the country like Kid Rock, get hot. Can't see the country singers beefing over some guitar. It's cracking, it's on it properly. It's full of stacking, it's spit. It ain't stopping you from getting back a lane. What you waiting for? The wait is over, say no more. Trying to play the respect with it. This is it, it's what you eat, sleep, piss and shit. Live, breathe, your whole existence just consists of this. Refuse to quit, fuse to split, can't diffuse the wit. I don't do this music shit, I lose my shit. Been the law, fuck the rule, man, I used to risk it all. Now I got too much to lose, I've been eating long enough. Man, my stomach should be full, I just ain't lick the plate, my buffet. Lucky me, fuck you dead, nigga. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, problem with me, with no survivor. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie, you hate it, but you no respect, you got to give me the shit. It's not a Finny, too high and biggie.